have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective, I need to understand music. I need to understand how to write, how to compose, how to arrange, how to transcribe, how to read sheet music, how to...
And when you look at sound from a physics perspective, sound is a very fundamental basic phenomenon. There's an impact, and this impact derives from a force. So there's a force.
We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theorist perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales, primarily the diatonic scales, which are like extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. And you know why is there a low? Why E chord is a low E and a high E? Is an octave. What is amplitude? What causes amplitude? You know, what causes frequency? And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, this force creates an impact. This impact creates energy, or emerges energy, emerges.